Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will do week 6 lesson of business studies class C2. First of all, look at the resources. Cambridge IGCSE Business Studies book. Authors are Peter Stimson and Karen Borrington. Now look at the contents. Objective, resource, review of last week, quality, quality control, quality assurance, TQM or total quality management. At the end we will summarize the topic and we will look at the assignment questions. Now look at the objective. By the end of lesson, students will be able to, number 1, explain why the quality is important for business. Number 2, explain the concept of quality control. Number 3, explain how businesses implement quality. And finally, explain the concept of quality assurance. But first of all, let's review last week lesson. In last week lesson, you learned, number 1, break-even level of output. Number 2, usage of break-even level. Number 3, break-even formula. Number 4, advantages of break-even. And number 5, limitations of break-even. Now let's come at this week lesson. Our first topic is quality. Quality means to produce a good or service which meets customers' expectations. Quality does not just mean producing a high quality product or service. If you buy a low priced remote control toy car, would you expect it to work as well as an expensive toy car? The answer will probably be no. But you do expect the low price product to be perfect and not have any faults. Quality ensures the business has the following main points. Brand image of the business. Customer should be brand loyal. Business must have good reputation in the market. There should be increased sales by every year, which means market share should increase significantly. And every time, quality should attract new customers. Now let's come at our second topic, which is quality control. Quality control is the checking for quality at the end of the production process, whether it is the production of a product or service. A traditional way to make sure the products went out of factories with no defects have to be quality control. Quality control department job has to take samples with regular intervals to check their errors. If errors or faults are found, then a whole branch of production team have to take control and remove their faults. The quality control department would check that quality is maintained during the production of goods. Try to eliminate errors before they occur and find any defective products before they went out of the factory to the customers. Quality control tells us about the following. What are the actual faults and the reasons of errors in the products? Number 2. For quality control method, less training for the employees is required. It is expensive because you have to train the employees not only to manufacture but also to detect errors. Quality control identifies faults but does not give solution. So this is one of the drawback of this process. And lastly, it increases cost because less training is required but less trained employees do make faults. Our third topic is quality assurance. Quality assurance is the checking for the quality standards throughout the production process, whether it is the production of a product or service. This takes a slightly different approach towards quality. The businesses will make sure quality standards are set and then it will apply these quality standards throughout the business. The purpose of quality assurance is to make sure that the customer is satisfied with the aim of achieving greater sales, increased added value, and increased profits. To implement a quality assurance system, several aspects of production must be included. Attention must be paid to the design of the product, the components and materials used, delivery schedules, after sales service, and finally quality control procedures. The workforce must support the use of this system or it will not be effective. Advantages include: number 1, quality assurance tries to eliminate faults or errors before the customer receives the product or service. Number 2, there are fewer customer complaints in quality assurance. And number 3, quality assurance reduces cost if products do not have to be scrapped or reworked or serviced. Repeated. However, there are also some drawbacks of quality assurance. Number 1, expensive to train employees to check the product or service. Number 2, quality assurance relies on employees following instructions of standards. Our third topic is total quality management. Total quality management is the continuous improvement of products and processes by focusing on quality at each stage of production. Total quality management explains the following. Quality is built in every part or stage of production. Total quality management or TQM actually eliminates all faults or errors. There are actually no customer complaints in TQM. It reduces cost. There are very less chances of wastage and efficiencies also increase. It is the idea of total quality management that it is at the heart of many practices. TQM is the continuous improvement of products and processes by focusing on quality at each stage of production. It tries to get it right first time and not have any defects. There is an emphasis on ensuring that the customer is always satisfied, and the customer can be other people or departments in the same business that you are completing task for, not just for the final customer. This should mean that the quality is maintained throughout the business and no fault should occur, as all employees are concerned with ensuring that a good quality of service is delivered. Total quality management or TQM should mean that the costs will fall. It is closely linked with Kaizen and the use of quality circles. Quality circles are basically groups of workers who meet regularly and discuss problems and possible solutions. Workers are encouraged to suggest new ideas to reduce waste and ensure zero defects. Now let's summarize this week lesson. In this lesson, you have learned what is meant by quality and its importance, quality control and its implementation, and last but not the least, concept of quality assurance. Dear students, this week you have to do 4 questions in assignment. Number 1 question is, what is quality? Number 2, what is quality control? Number 3, what is quality assurance? And finally, you will explain total quality management. So students, best of luck for your assignment. Allah Hafiz.